Hello friends, in this video we're going to be playing Play-Dohs and
Play-Doh molds, right?
yeah.
So, yeah, we've got a red Play-Doh, orange,
yellow. This one is bright green, light blue,
navy blue,
hot pink, light pink, and purple.
Purple. Great job. We also have many Play-Doh molds, right?
They're so cute.
Yes. Check
We
that
have
out.
one shell.
Yeah, we have, this is a penguin, and we have a starfish right here. And we also have some,
Really cute.
yeah, look at this. Check this out. We have an orange lion here.
And we have a Play-Doh.
And Play-Doh roller. We have this Play-Doh roller. And of course, last but not least, we also have this sand. Okay.
We have these.
Yeah, once we're done with the Play-Doh molds, we're going to be putting them inside of this sand. Okay?
Yeah, they're gonna be pretty.
Yeah, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get started. How about we go from color red?
Let's do red.
Yeah. All right, so here is the Play-Doh roller. Let's roll it up.
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh.
Okay. Roll, and roll. Let's roll it.
Roll. It's fun to play with Play-Dohs.
Yeah, they're nice and soft. And they're very flexible too.
Yeah.
All right, looks like you are having so much fun here.
Yeah, I love playing with Play-Dohs.
Okay, I think it's done. It's good. How about we pick out this mold right here?
Hippo.
This is a hippo mold.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
I love hippos.
So we'll take this. How about like that? And press. Yep. Press. I'm gonna help you out. Just like so. Yep.
That's gonna be awesome.
Yeah. All right, looks like it's done. How about we pick it up? Oh, look, check that out.
Came out.
Yeah. This is a hippo. This is a hippo.
Yes.
Yeah. You like hippos?
Yeah.
They're big, real big animals in real life.
Heavy.
Yeah, and heavy too. We'll insert a pick and put it inside the sand. Nice. Great job. Cool.
Ooh, it's so cute.
Great. Yeah, let's move on to the next one.
Yes.
Okay.
How about we go for orange?
Yeah, let's do orange Play-Doh.
Let's do lion.
Lion? You want to go for lion?
Yeah.
Okay, check this out, guys. This is a lion. Okay? So we're going to use this lion mold. We have to use a roller. Roll it down. Yep.
Ooh.
Just like so. Great job.
This is so fun.
Yeah, of course it is.
I love it.
Yep. Roll. Rolling. Orange Play-Doh is looking awesome.
And it's a little bright. Okay,
Let's pick our mold.
lion.
Yeah, lion mold. And press it down real hard. As hard as you can. I'm gonna help you out. Yep, there you go.
Okay.
Now you can just twist it a little bit, just like so.
Or should I take
Yep.
this off?
Yeah, let's take the rest of it off. Yeah.
Okay.
Now press that spring down. Press it down. Now hold it from the sides. I'm gonna hold it for you. Now press. There you go.
Here's our lion.
Yeah, can you
But
please
guys,
show?
remember, lions are very dangerous.
Very dangerous. Yep. Let's see. Whoa. This is a lion. Yep. How about we pick our...
Okay.
Let's insert the pick.
Hold it.
Yep. Nice.
Now let's put it over here.
That's totally fine with me. Great job. Cool. Check this out, guys. Orange lion.
I'm gonna go for yellow.
Yeah, let's go for yellow.
Yes.
Let's pick our roller.
This yellow is very bright.
Roll. little bit challenging in the beginning, but then as you go, it gets easier and easier, right?
Yeah.
All right. You need help? You got this?
Yeah.
Okay, looks like we're good there. Now we gotta pick our, how about we go for star? Star is yellow. Starfish. This is a starfish. Okay, press it down. Real hard. Yep, just like so. Yep, and remove the excess from the sides.
Okay.
Yep, open it off to the side and hold its body and press the button down. There you go. Check that out, guys. Let's see. Whoa, look at this starfish.
So beautiful.
Yes, it is. Okay, you have your pick ready? Let's pick out our pick and put it right through the middle, just like so.
Here.
Okay, great job.
Okay, that's good.
Wow, starfish. All right, let's move on to what is going to be our next color.
Green.
Green Play-Doh. So let's go for green Play-Doh. All right, let's roll it. Roll it.
Okay.
All right. From one side off to the other side. All right. That's great. Yep, that's cool. So let's pick
Let's do
green.
frog.
This is a frog.
Ribbit.
Yep. Okay, press it down real hard. That side. Yep. Press. And remove the excess. Yep. And press the button down. Are you ready? Come on, press it down. You got this. Whoa!
Here's a froggy.
Let's see what we have here. We have a froggy. Look at this.
Green.
Yeah, green, smiley, froggy. Happy looking froggy. Check this out, guys. All right, you got your pick out?
Yeah.
All right. Let's insert the pick. Green froggy. All right.
Let's put it right over.
This is our ocean sand, right?
Yeah.
Great job. Wow, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 down already.
We're ready to 4.
4, yes. So which color you want to go for next?
How about we go for blue?
Blue, light blue. Okay. So we have for blue, we're going to go for dolphin. How about this?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Are you ready? Let's roll it first.
Yeah.
Roll. You're a hard worker. Press really hard. It's so fun though.
Yeah. It's a little challenging.
Yeah, how about we turn it around a little bit like this, and you can go keep going. I think we're good. Yep. Get your mold, dolphin mold. Yep. And put it down and press it real hard as you can. There you go. I'm going to help you out here. And we will remove the excess from the sides so it doesn't get in the way. And then we'll press the button, springy button. Okay? So let me help you with that. I'm going to hold and you press. There you go. Check that out. Dolphin, right? Blue dolphin. Look at this, guys. You got your pick out? Alright. Be careful. Nice and gentle.
Now let's put it somewhere.
Put it in the
Let's put it
ocean
right
sand, right? Great. Awesome. How about it's not that visible. We're going to put it right there. Great.
there.
Alright, let's move on to the next one. So the next color you want to go for is navy blue.
We're done.
Alright. Are you ready? This is your roller.
Okay.
roll it down. Press and roll. Press and roll. We're doing a great job. Looks like we're good. Now we have to come and pick out our mold. This is a zebra. Yeah. Now put it down. Press real hard. There you go. All right. Remove the sides. Okay. Ready? Now press. Press that springy button. There you go.
There's a zebra.
Let's see. Whoa. Take a look at this, you guys. This is a Play-Doh zebra. Blue. Woohoo. You have your pick out?
Yeah.
All right. Insert the pick from the bottom. There you go. And we're going to leave it right here. Yep, that's perfectly fine. This spot is a great spot for a zebra. How about, yep, I can. All right, great job. Cool. Let's move on to the next one.
Yes.
We'll remove this out of the way. Navy blue.
The rest of the Play-Doh.
Yeah, the rest of the Play-Doh. So we have 1, 2, 3 left. So which one you want to go for?
Let's do pink.
Light pink. Okay.
Yeah, light pink. Let's roll it.
Roll, roll, roll. Press and roll. All right. Looks like you're done.
Okay.
Great job. How about we pick our... Should we go for... Oh, right here. That's another froggy? No, how about we go for this guy right here? Turtle, right?
Yeah.
This is a turtle. Yep.
Okay.
Press down really hard as you can. Yep.
Okay.
And we'll remove the sides. Yep. Now I'm gonna hold, just like so, and you're gonna press. Whoa! Look at this turtle.
Okay.
Let's see. Check this out, guys. This is a turtle. Happy looking turtle. Yep. Give your pick out. Okay. Great. Let's move here and leave the turtle right over there. Yep. How about we go for this side right there?
Next to the dolphin.
Yep, next to the dolphin. There you go.
Okay.
There you are. Nice. All right. We've got so many Play-Doh molds done so far. Okay. Ready? We have 1 and 2 more.
left.
2 more left. So which one you want to go for next?
Dark pink.
Yep, dark pink.
Let's roll.
Or neon pink, right?
Yeah.
Roll, roll, roll.
Roll, roll, roll.
All right, looks like you're done there.
Okay.
And we have to pick. You want to go for another froggy? How about we go for... You want to go for penguin?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Press really hard. And remove the excess. Now let's pick it up and press it really, really hard. Press that button really hard and it's going to come out. You're almost done. Ready? Need help? There you go.
There.
Wow, take a look at this, guys. Such a cute looking penguin.
I love penguins.
Yeah, look at this, Adel. Woohoo!
Funny.
Big-oo, big-oo. All right, you got your pick? All right. Cool.
Okay.
Let's place it onto the ocean sand. Or the sea sand, right? Yep.
Yeah.
Just like so. All right, so we have our last one. Let's roll it, press it, and roll it. Yep, nice. Wow, take a look at that. You're good there. Now let's pick our mold. Should we go for this one? How about we go for this? Yeah? Okay, let's put it down and press really, really hard. This is a giraffe. very, very tall. All right, press it down. Remove the excess. All right, now let's pick it up and press that button down.
Okay.
Almost out. There you go.
Wow.
Whoa. Take a look at this, guys. There's that giraffe. Whoa.
Purple.
Yeah. Purple giraffe. They're so tall.
Yeah.
Where's your pick at?
Okay.
All right. All right, so we're going to place that giraffe onto our sea sand. All right, ready? Okay. Good job. Yeah, we'll place it right there, just like so. All right, look at this. Take a look at this, guys. Cool, we're done now.
Yay!
With Play-Doh and our Play-Doh mold. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe and like.
Bye.
Bye.